Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Pete here with another tidbit of information. I was thinking we go through our days and we are constantly striving to achieve things that are developed based off of the values of the people that we cherish in our lives. So the 10 closest people to you and their values and their aspirations are essentially what we derive our vision from. So it's very important that if we feel like we're not moving forward, to take some time to separate ourselves from the people around us so that this way we can script our own values and our own direction, because we end up with what we process in our minds, what we think about. And a lot of the times that's coming from a group or a multitude of people that, if you have really great big ideas in your mind, that may not necessarily be conducive to tell other people, because if you do, they can potentially knock you off of your momentum, because the moment they hear something that sounds like crazy, like it's like that's too good for you, you can't do that, you automatically start to get discouraged. And they don't even have to say anything at all. They could just make a face that portrays that they don't think that you have what it takes or that you're capable of doing it. And we fall into the trap. Our direction, our mind is shaped by the 10 or 15 closest people to us. And if we don't, steadily reconstruct the thought process and the goals that we want to achieve, like weekly, daily, then we will literally be, washed into like a sea or like a river, like the rapids, and we'll lose ourselves. That's why it's very important to be separate from other people. It's very important to spend time alone. I know it sounds messed up. I know it sounds, almost greedy, like almost like selfish, but it's actually very, very important, because if you can better yourself, if you can make yourself your highest potential, I promise you the people that were in your life before will have a lot more to gain from being around you, rather than if you just sat where you were. And I'm not talking about like a 9 to 5. I'm not talking about like a potential career. I'm talking about like a dream that you have, something that is so out of the boundary, something that you just can't fathom that you could do, but you wish you could if there were no boundaries. Life is very, very short. We only have one chance. We're here and then we're gone. So why not try? Thank you guys. If you like this, please like it, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. I hope you guys have a beautiful night. Peace and love to all.